The Greenstar has a very simple maintenance protocol, and annual inspection is strongly recommended. A thorough visual, safety, and combustion test should be completed prior to the start of each heating season. A physical cleaning of the heat exchanger may be required every 5 years. This is something that can be easily determined by a visual inspection and a combustion test. If mechanical cleaning is required, Bosch offers the service accessory kit, which includes main heat exchanger gaskets, a heat exchanger brush, and a heat exchanger cleaning blade. In order to prepare for inspection of the heat exchanger, shut off the electricity and the gas. Remove the condensate trap and place a suitable container underneath. Remove the wires from the high limit, primary sensor, spark igniter, and flame sensor. Remove the two 10mm nuts that hold the access plate in place. Then remove the access plate and the heat shield. With a cleaning blade, clean the heat exchanger block from the bottom to the top. And then with a brush, clean from the top to the bottom. Rinse the heat exchanger with water from the top. Clean the condensate tray and then reassemble the heat exchanger by installing the heat shield and the access panel. Note, always install a new gasket after cleaning the heat exchanger. After cleaning the heat exchanger, perform a combustion test to verify the performance of the appliance.